Hello, friends of both tarot and body positivity. Today we're going to watch The World of Hilda Tarot flip through. I'm Jenna Roberts with Present Path Tarot. Thanks for coming over to my channel to watch this. I'm really excited to open this. It's by Reese Marren of the Curated Card. She made another deck that I love that is antiquity paintings. I am super excited about this deck because I am shaped like Hilda. So I am giddy to open. Oh, Reese Marren has signed the inside of the box. It is a simple box, but y'all, I like to put my decks inside bags. So I don't really mind that scenario. Get that in a little better lighting there. I'm giving Hilda her own sweet, soft, blue fake fur today because that's the vibe she offers me and I want to give it back. So the cards are similar to her previous deck. They're thin and floppy, but you know, have a nice tinsel to them. The backs of the cards look like they are a fun yellow polka dot, which will make it fun when you spread them out, which I'm just going to give a show of right now because it's going to make a yellow glowy pattern, so then you won't be able to kind of see the difference between the cards, which I think helps you pick the cards better because you can just feel and vibe where the cards are that you want. Starting with the Fool. Yeah, I love this. I'm so excited for this, and it's one of those decks, the Magician. So she picked these out of the original art of Hilda, which was a pinup girl in, I'm guessing, the 50s from the looks of it, who was a little thicker shaped than the thin pinup girls. And I love the Emperor. He's getting his stuff dried. The Hierophant, all the animals listening in as she's reading a book that says the animal stories. Lover's card. So I really relate to this body shape since it's what I look like, except she has bigger nays than me. Nene is actually a Mandarin word, you know that? Nene. Yep, it means boobs in Mandarin, but it's like what little kids say. It's not what adults say. But so it's not nenes because they don't pluralize it. So I love this Hermit card. She's got her lantern. I mean, I'm almost surprised that she found a card that's so hermit-like with a lantern and a night sky. So some of the symbols might be a little lighter, but oh, we get 2 wheels. So she gives us 2 wheels so that we can choose which one we want, and you can make your own deck. I don't know, which one would I like more? I like this. I think this one's more the nature of the wheel of kind of keeping up with change. And the Justice card. She threw a boomerang and it's coming back to hit her. Nice karma right there. I'm amazed that she found cards. She found the symbology of these original cards in pinup pictures from the 50s. There must have been a huge selection to go through, and I'm sure it took her a lot to curate this deck because going through probably thousands of pictures to find 78 good ones, or at least hundreds. So the Death card is interesting because now she's going through the old letters of old mates, old lovers. Temperance, nice, pouring the water out of the boat, fun. The Devil card, temptation of the bull. I love it, and I love her little booty there. So great. The Tower card, perfect. Fallen tower. The Star card, nice and simple and sweet. The Moon, going through the shadows of yourself. The Sun, happy childlike play, great. So this card's not going to be for beginners. Judgment. So, oh, the phone's ringing. I got it. So there's a judgment vibe in there. This isn't going to have, you know, the world. Isn't she adorable? I just love Hilda so much. This isn't going, you know, because it's curated, it's not going to be thick with lots of symbology because she had to find the cards that are relevant to the meaning. So some of the cards are easy, like Ace of Wands. Oops. Ace of Wands being a wand. 2 of Wands looks very traditional, actually. 3 of Wands, actually, again, really traditional with the symbology. So maybe she did an exceptional job, which, not surprising. 4 of Wands, dancing to music, a little bit of a party. She's always alone in the pictures, so that's a limitation. 5 of Wands, scaring away the birds. Six of Wands. Oh, she's showing off her art and has first prize. What is she doing here? Seven of Wands. She's shooting a can. She's shooting a can off of the background there. Love it. Eight of Wands. Nice. Playful. Running through. Nine of Wands. So cute. I mean, it doesn't... That card is harder to align with the original meaning, but I get it. It's hard to find. Ten of Wands. Perfect. So she really is hitting the symbology of the traditional cards in a lot of them. It's impressive to me. Page of Wands, little painter. Oh, two Page of Wands. And this Page of Wands is someone who's about to blow up, so it's more like... It's the Page of Wands that's just the creator, and the Page of Wands that's more the mischief, right? You can pick whichever one you like for your deck. How fun is that? The Knight of Wands with someone running off to catch butterflies. Queen of Wands. She's got her fireside book. King of Wands playing some golf. Ace of Cups going for a swim. Two of Cups. So there she found a companionship in her dog. That's nice. Three of Cups playing with her dog. Very sweet. Would normally have multiple characters in it, but, you know, you can't do that with Hilda, so. Four of Cups. Nice. I mean, I'm surprised she even found this card that looks so true to the Four of Cups sort of frustration, disappointment, but with a tree. Five of Cups. You know that vibe. Six of Cups showing off. Nostalgic baby pictures. Nice. She captured it. She did it. I'm like impressed at how much she found. Seven of Cups. The spooky. Eight of Cups leaving something behind. So the Seven of Cups is a little challenging because I wish there was like a shopping one. That's always a nice one for that. Nine of Cups getting all of her needs met with her ice cream and her fan in the hot summer day. Cute. Ten of Cups watering a ducky. So sweet. Joyous. Page of Cups. Just one of those. So a couple cards she doubled up to give you a choice, which is really fun. Little fish biting at her butt. So cute. Knight of Cups drinking water. Queen of Cups getting her needs met with some hot foot bath. King of Cups, love that one. I love this because she's like saving the dog from the river. It's great. All right, into the swords. Ace of Swords. Put these a little to the side. Two of Swords. Oh, I love it because this is another form of divination. I got perimenopause, y'all. My brain doesn't work the same. Dousing. Three of Swords. What is she doing here? So she's healing her finger. Four of Swords. Just doesn't want to do that laundry. I feel your vibe, lady. Get some rest. Five of Swords, and she's got the telling the animals to get out and kind of... Oh, another Five of Swords option. I like this one better. Well, she's kind of yelling down into the... I don't know. They're both cool. This one has the thing about, like, get away from me, but it's partly because... But I feel like this one captures more of that, like, sort of... I don't know, the darkness that she's looking into or something. I can see that was a hard one to figure out. Six of Swords. She's going on her raft, getting away. Classic. Seven of Swords. The dog has thieved her. Eight of Swords. Oh, she's just having a hard time and there's barbed wire. She's a little bit trapped. Fair enough. Nine of Swords. What's she reading here? How to improve your skiing, but she's disturbed by it. Okay, that one's a little stretch, but laying on a bed, got some symbology there. And Ten of Swords, she's getting attacked by bees on her butt. Okay, swords in the back. Page of Swords, cute, playing a flute for a bird. Knight of Swords. I just love the character of this. I like it. She's putting a needle through, or putting a thread through a needle. King of Swords, sharpening that knife. And now we're into the Pentacles. Eating one raspberry. Two of Pentacles, this is great. Having to make a decision which way to go. Love that. Three of Pentacles, painting herself into a corner. But she's painting, so she's working, which is part of that Three of Pentacles. And it's someone who's kind of new in some way, so that makes sense. She's figuring out how to paint. Four of Pentacles, she's got her, her earth solidified there. She could eat all the apples if she wanted. Five of Pentacles. This is an interesting one. So she's looking at an old house, kind of similar to the stained glass house. Usually this has a lack, but it's hard because Hilda's not much of a lack mentality. Six of Pentacles. That's really cute. I love that. Oh, we get two Six of Pentacles options. So Six of Pentacles is about the give and take, and so she's giving to this squirrel, right? And this one she's milking the cow and feeding the cat. I think this is more traditional Six of Pentacles, but I gotta say, this card is just so damn cute. I'm probably gonna stick with that one if I might keep both in the deck and see what comes up and let them have slightly different meanings depending on the image. So Seven of Pentacles, she's working hard, her back hurts, she's gardening. That's actually a very traditional image of harvesting. Eight of Pentacles, working hard at making her daisy chains. Nine of Pentacles, doing that work. Very Lucille Ball here. Ten of Pentacles, her knees are all scraped up and she's tired from the end of the day, but she has all of her animals around her. Page of Pentacles, catching shells on the beach. Cute. Knight of Pentacles, enjoying some watermelon. Queen of Pentacles, checking out her awesome hat. That's a very Queen of Pentacles image. And King of Pentacles, she's selling her strawberries. I want to say that Reese did a fantastic job finding unique images that really capture the meanings of the cards, even though, of course, the symbology can't be completely identical. I don't know who I'm going to read this for because it's a special kind of deck, but I know I'm going to read it for myself because I really relate to Hilda, and I'm grateful for the creators who made Hilda. That's a nice, see, it's a nice, even though they're thin cards, they really shuffle nicely. They have a nice gloss to them to make them, you know, move around easily without being too slippery. I love this deck. I'm going to read for myself with it to honor my own beautiful, you know, body type that is rarely celebrated in the media, and I'm grateful to the artist who created Hilda. And I hope you will subscribe to my page for future opportunities to learn about other decks and learn more about the cards. I teach the cards, and I can do tutoring as well. So I hope you will keep in touch with me and have a wonderful day. Thanks very much for watching. Whoop.